In this video, we are going to discuss about how to unfollow people on Instagram automatically. But before that, if you want to learn how to get 10 to 20k followers per month, then you can get my Instagram marketing ebook for free. So if you want to learn my secrets, then you can download this ebook and you will get the link in the description box below. If you are using follow and follow method to grow your account, then you have to unfollow people because you can't follow more than 7,500 people at a time. And if you try to unfollow people manually, then it's very time consuming. But in this video, I'm going to share an application with you which will automate this process for you, and it will save you a lot of time as well. And the application which I'm talking about is Followers Assistant. You will get the link of this application in the description box below, or you can just search this name of this application in the Play Store and then just download it from there as well. And after you have downloaded it, it will ask you to log in. Here you have to log into your Instagram account via your email ID and password. And don't worry, this app is trusted by millions of users, so your account is completely safe. But if you don't feel comfortable, then you can change the password after you have used this application. But in order to use this application, you have to log into your account. And after you have logged in, then you will be redirected to the dashboard. And now at the bottom you will see an home icon. Just click on that, and after that you will see different options, but you have to select the first option, that is all you are following. And from here you will be able to unfollow the people. At the top you can see that the total number of people you are following, and in this account I am following 11 people, that's why it's showing 11. And at bottom you will be able to see the names of your followers, and if you want to unfollow them manually, then you can click on stop follow button. But in this video our main focus is to make this step automatic. Here you can see some numbers that you can select. These numbers indicates how many people you want to unfollow. So if your account is not warmed up, then select 100 here and remove 100 people per hour. And from here you can increase the numbers, just click on the plus sign, and from here you can decrease the numbers, just click on the minus sign. And here you can see you have an icon of clock. Basically this icon indicates timer, which means the time gap you want to give between per unfollow. If you unfollow 100 people at the same time, then it looks spammy. But if you use timer and add a time interval gap between them, then it will be much more safer. And after all this, just click on stop following background, and this app will start unfollowing people from your account. So basically this is how you can unfollow people on Instagram automatically. And if you like this video, then click on the like button. And if you have any question, then you can comment that down below as well, and I will get back to you ASAP. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe because I post daily content regarding Instagram, and also click on the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a new video on this channel.